to Draw with AK Seiki, and today we are going to talk about how to make your art original. Okay guys, let me tell you the truth first of all right now. Nothing is original. Nothing is original. That's what I said in the starting of the video, right? How can I say that? Well, let me explain it to you. Each idea is somewhere taken from a person who has taken it before you, who has done it before you. And it doesn't end. It just, the list goes on and on. Like there was a dude, Austin Kleon, in TEDx talks. I saw him. He's also a writer. He wrote a book called How to Steal Like an Artist, which we are going to talk about later in the video. So he told us that he did some sort of art style. I'm not going to talk so much. I'm not going to go so deep in that topic. I just want the main point to be clear that he created an art style and showed it on internet. So he was criticized by the people that he has copied some person named as Tom Phillips. But then when he researched more about Tom Phillips, he got to know that Tom Phillips was actually inspired by William Burroughs. And then, not even that, William Burroughs, that person, was actually inspired by one of his friends called as Brian Grayson. And even Brian Grayson was actually inspired by someone else, but I'm not going to go so far in that knowledge. The main point is that like each of them has taken some inspiration, some idea, some sort of, the piece of work. It's not original, it just goes back, like someone has already taken it, someone has already done that. You can easily feel and, just see it. And yeah, it just, originality depends on how you put your own uniqueness in something. So, and in one of the Steve Jobs interview, he said that learn how to steal, but like an artist, not as a thief. So yeah, and there's a big difference in stealing like an artist and stealing like a thief, and that's what we are going to consider right now. So let's start, guys. Should we? How to steal like an artist. The thing you all and I was waiting for so long. So like this was actually a book written by Austin Kleon, the guy I was talking about right now, and it's a must read. Like it's so good. Like you can like literally, it just helps you develop everything. Okay, now what the thing should you just read the book. So how to steal like an artist. How to be a pro stealer. Stealer, is that a word? I don't know. My English is too good. So, there's a big difference in a bad thief and in a good thief. And thief and an artist. That's stealing like a thief, stealing like an artist. If you steal like an artist, you give credit. But if you don't, you just say that it's your own artwork. Like sometimes people do, right? You saw that. So they're bad thieves. And when someone steals like an artist, they study what they're stealing. They study it fully. And when someone just likes to when someone just steals it, they're like a thief, he just skims it and just, normally draws it. The good artist always, every time, modifies, transforms, modifies, just change whatever the thing is, like in his own unique way. That's what you call as unique. That's what you call as style. That's what you call as original in your own language. A good artist, the most important thing, a good artist always steal from multiples, and a bad artist steals from only one. And even the bad artist also plagiarizes and all the bad things, like wrong things that shouldn't do. That's what a bad person do. That's what a bad artist do. Stealing from many actually means like taking artists from multiple people rather than not sticking to someone and then making many ones. And like getting idea from multiple people is a good thing, right? So I think this video is pretty much over right now, and this was the whole point of the video. And what can I say, bro? So yeah, enjoy my artwork and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye guys.